Now let's talk about creating an assignment. So if I click on the assignment button here, for most teachers the assignment is the main thing that they use in Google Classroom. So for an assignment you can add a title and any instructions that you have for the students. And then the biggest thing with assignments is that you can attach Google Drive documents to them. You can still do all of the other attachments as well. You can add YouTube videos, web links, or even documents from your computer. But when you add a Google Drive attachment, it gives students the opportunity through Classroom to do things with that document. And there's a couple of different options depending upon how you set up the assignment, which we'll talk about in just a minute. So I'm going to fill in the title and some instructions for my assignment, and then we'll talk about how to assign it and what some of the different options are. Okay, for this assignment I am going to add a YouTube video. So I'm going to click on the YouTube video link, and then I'm going to search for a video on systems of equations. Now hopefully before I came in here I knew what video I was going to choose. I'm going to go with this one, which is from a website called Yay Math, and I'm going to click on that and I'm going to add this video. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a document, and I'm going to add a document that my students are then going to write on. So I'm going to go to the Google Drive document here, and I'm going to attach a document to this assignment. Okay, so I searched for a specific document that I wanted to attach. I'm going to choose that document, and then I'm going to add it to my assignment. Now you'll notice the assignment then has the video that I attached and the document that I attached. Next to the document, there is a very important piece of information here that you need to edit. There are 3 different ways that you can share a document from Google Classroom. If I click on this, it'll show me the 3 different ways. The first one is students can view a file. So that means the students can look at it but can't edit it at all. So if I have a set of directions that I want to attach or a template that I want them to look at, they can do it that way. The second one is students can edit a file. This is if I want to create a situation where all of the students are going to have input on one document that they're going to use. So all of the students would be typing on a single document. And then the last choice is make a copy for each student. What this does is it creates an individual copy of the document that I can share with each student. So when I assign this and a student opens it, they each get their very own document that they can then work on. And then they can turn that document in. So then when you grade it, you can see every single student. For this particular one, I'm going to do a student can edit file as the type I'm going to put on here. Then I have the same options that I've always had. I can add this to more than one class if I want to. I can assign it, or I can schedule it for later, or if I'm not quite ready yet, maybe I realized I needed to make another document and add it, I could save it as a draft. So I'm going to assign this video and the document that goes along with it to my class as an assignment.